Hi guys, sorry for the quality. Bago akong ligo. Grabe, nilakad ko lang yung from bahay to bus station kasi today pupunta tayo ng Palawan. Sorry if because I'm running late and di pa talaga hinatid ng kapatid. So wala tayong magagawa. Pero don't you worry kasi nasa akin ang huling halakhak. Magkikita rin kami ng kapatid ko, okay? Pero for now, grabe, super loser. Pagod ako. Hi guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa Palawan and look who's here! Mag-smile ka nga!
Welcome to Palawan!
If you're wondering, bakit Puerto Princesa, bakit hindi Camiguin, bakit hindi Bohol? Eh kasi guys, si Micah, dito nag-aral sa Palawan for 4 years sa kanyang degree na
Petroleum Engineering!
and alam niya yung mga pasikot-sikot dito, so hindi kami mabebenta dito guys. Pumayag kami na dito kami sa Palawan. I'm so excited guys! Sana excited din kayo. Sana maramdaman niyo yung excitement ko. Say hi kuya! Hello po! Parang nasa Jensen lang din ako. Ganito din ako sa Jensen eh. Yung tricycle na ganito. So, magla-lunch muna kami. Saan tayo magla-lunch?
Kagetan.
Inis din dito sa Palawan.
A bit, there's a food court. It's like a food court. Welcome to Palawan! I love it!
So, dito na kami sa aming first stop for today's vlog. Our quick lunch for today. Siomai, fried rice, and then wala pa yung inasal niya. Hi guys! Finally, andito na kami sa Airbnb na pagsastayan namin na napili ni Mike. Wait lang. Andito yung door. Pagkapasok mo from the outside, makikita mo yung living area. Sorry if medyo makalat kasi andito pa yung mga gamit namin. Malaking TV dito. May mga sleepers. And then, may island table. Ay, island table ba tawag nito? May lababo. May mirror dito. May ref. Dito yung kwarto. Maliit lang siya guys pero sobrang ganda. Dito yung shared comfort room. Ito yung first room na may double bed. Double single bed. So, wow! May sariling aircon, may fan. Tapos dito ako guys, may fan. May isang queen size bed. Queen size bed ata to eh. Hindi ko lang sure. May sarili rin akong aircon dito. So, ang tanong, magkano to, Micah? 2,000 per night. Hindi na siya masama guys kasi pag 4 packs kayo parang 500 per head na lang siya. And then, di ba sulit na siya guys? I feel like with this given na amenities, okay na siya, di ba? So ngayon, magpapahinga muna kami kasi mamaya may pupuntahan kami. Huwag mag-alala kasi sasama namin kayo. Matutulog muna ako. So see you later guys. Bye! Guys, nandito na kami sa aming aesthetic coffee shop of the day. Sa Gold Cup. Guys, ang ganda dito, super aesthetic ng place.
This Gold Cup 3, the one in Taft, dito sa Puerto, is the most aesthetic coffee shop here in Puerto Princesa. I'm telling you guys. Sana may Borta time ako. Can we open this one? Pina-open this mo para makita niyo. Sorry. I'm telling you guys, this is an absolute cinematic experience. Gold.
Hindi ko maganda dyan sa gabi.
Nice dito, umaga or gabi. Like, this is my favorite spot. But not my most favorite coffee. Sorry.
So, hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Marcel. Marcel, para i-try ang kanilang chow long and French bread. After namin mag-cafe kanina, malayong park kami. Nothing much to see there kasi mostly mga nagja-jog lang. Then ngayon, for our dinner, dito kami sa Marcel para mag-try ng pho. So, bakit may Vietnamese influence dito? Share mo.
Yes guys, because historically speaking, naging parang hugad ng mga Vietnamese refugee itong Puerto Princesa. So that's why merong Vietnamese village dito. Hindi na siya, ngayon, parang, active, quote and quote. But the influence of Vietnam is still here, which is why merong French bread kung tawagin nila, but it's actually parang banh mi yung counterpart nito sa Vietnam. And then, chow long, yung counterpart naman nito sa Vietnam is pho.
Dito na kami
A Palawan experience.
local vibes.
Yeah.
Ang local food ng Cebu.
Oo. This is cheese bread, a type of French bread. Si Louie, he ordered pork bread, so it's salsa bread. There's my pepino, my pork, meat, and then ketchup and cheese inside. So it's your typical parang sandwich lang. Really the basic, walang mga dressing na just the basic, then tuk-tuk. Yan. But I love cheese bread.
I can say worth it sa yung price. No?
This is 75.
Hi guys! So, we are very sorry if hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kagabi since super pagod. Ilang steps ba tayo kagabi?
10,000 steps more.
Plus 10,000 plus steps kami kagabi guys. And then, tapos namin kumain guys, nag-commute na lang kami pa uwi. And then, yun lang naman nangyari kagabi. But today, may itinerary na kami. This is our official day 1 here sa Palawan. And in today's theme,
It's yellow and white.
yellow and white and green. I am very excited sa coffee natin because I'm going to try the Vietnamese coffee. For your information, si Mike lahat ang nagplan nito. So,
So basically, today, it's a mix of like visiting spot at the same time,
road trips, and then at the end of the day, beach.
Yes.
Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi isasama namin kayo. Bye for now! So, dito na kami sa car. First stop is
McDo.
And then second is
Vietnamese coffee.
if you need a DigiCam for your trip, please contact at pin2clicks_GSE on Instagram. I'm gonna link them down below. Alam nyo ba guys, si Trizia parati niyang nakakalimutan na Tagalog dito. Diyos ko. Bakit kasi hindi siya nagtatagalog? Kahapon nung nag-Watsons kami guys, pinagtitinginan kami ng guard. Kasi nga, binibisaya niya. Binibisaya.
Ganabi siya.
Uy, wala ko gas. Storya sila og Bisaya.
No, ako
Okay,
nga. Ako yung
Louie lang.
binibisaya niya. Tapos, pinagtitinginan kami ng guard.
Guys, are you ready? Because I'm not.
Hi guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa Vietnamese coffee to fetch our Vietnamese coffee. Oh my God! I am so excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Ito yung sa akin, tas large. Ito yung kamay ka. Ito yung kay Chris. Gusto ko...
Pagdag ko yan sa
Oh, let's try Teeny Bites brownies.
100, 200 na lang sa iyo. Okay, whatever. Thank you po.
Taste test guys!
So I ordered White Delight. If I'm not mistaken, ito yung coffee na may condensed milk na may milk.
Plus, bestseller yan guys.
Bestseller. So this is my favorite. So hopefully the quality and the taste is still the same.
This is my order, the signature nangwa.
Nature.
I don't know. Sorry, pero ito yung signature na drink nila.
Mine is matcha latte. Actually, it tastes good.
As in?
Yes.
Okay.
Ay, hujitcha man kasi yung sa matcha.
Ay, masarap to be.
Guys.
Hello, 110 lang to. Tapos yung, parang kalasan
Try.
yung coffee ko. Wait lang, mama. Bakit?
I love this. I love White Delight. Ito nga yung lasa niya before.
Ang intensity ng coffee nito is really good.
Diba?
It's 10 out of 10. Sweetness is also good. It's just balance.
I know, diba sabi ko guys, I like coffee na parang nanununtok pero may a hint of sweetness para hindi siya masyadong
Lamig siya.
If
mapait.
that's the case, matamis to for you.
Okay. So, di ko natatry yan kasi matamis.
Try mo
yan.
lang!
Sige.
Galit.
Ay, matamis nga yung sayo. Tapos parang milk-based siya. Ito kasi coffee-based eh. No,
Yeah.
Tracy, no?
Yeah.
So, mas gusto ko to. Oh my God! Pwede ba bumalik tayo dito mamaya?
For sure.
Pero baka, what time sila mag-close?
We can come back here.
Guys, ang sarap, guys!
Okay, thankfully, kasi guys, for the past, actually, kahapon lang naman kami dumating, but like, so far, sa mga pinapakain ko sa kanila, I don't think na,
Oo, ito yung
may
parang...
ganun silang effect. So,
Ito.
like, I'm so proud that they love the Vietnamese coffee that I also love. I feel validated. So, guys,
So quiet. Our first stop, official stop today. Sabi ni Micah guys, parang andito pa daw yung remains ni Lolong. Di pa siya,
I'm not
pero
sure.
di siya sure. Oh my God, ang laki naman nito guys. Parang ito si Lolo. Tignan niyo kung gaano kalaki.
And here sa Philippine map, nakamark na yung places where there are sightings of crocodile. So, blue is for saltwater crocodile. Sila yung responsible for human attacks because they're more territorial, more aggressive, and they can grow for 6 to 7 meters or longer than lolo. And they can be found around Asia, so Australia, India, and other more. Yung red naman, Philippine or freshwater, endemic sila sa country natin. And sila ay less aggressive, 1 to 3 meters or 10 feet lang. One of the smallest crocodile species in the world. And no reports and cases na sila ay naka-attack or nakapatay ng tao.
Buay yan. Diba? Like, can you see it? Can you see the vision? Bitaw!
And so that one is a wallpaper of Lolo.
Ito.
And actual size niya.
Okay. Taas na pala talaga.
This one was a pet before by Mir Saklan. And then, dinonate na siya dito around 1980. 70 years old and 16 feet.
Guys, sobrang laki naman. 16 feet.
He already attacked and killed a human sa Riyutuba.
sa Rio to ba?
Okay. Mar siya, so sa Marabahay Riyutuba. Mar yung name niya.
Ano?
40 years old
Adopted?
and 14 feet.
Ano sabi mo?
Mar
Hindi, yung humans.
Naka-attack siya ng...
Okay.
nakapatay.
Ano po?
This one, from Palawan din. Siya yung pinakamahaba, 17 feet. Halos kasi haba yung seryoso lang. 80 years old. Paano na, umabot ng 100 to 120.
Tile house. Ay, meron silang Asian box turtle dito.
Char?
Imperial green pigeon. And then may... Ay! Alam mong maganda ka. Gusto mong magpapansin ha. Palawan peacock pheasant. Palawan bearcat.
Scary lagi siya.
Murag tambay lang oh.
Sama.
So, I think dito kami magla-lunch guys sa Baker's Kitchen. So, yeah, malalaman. Ay, kakain sana kami dun guys. Kaso yung serving time is 25 to 30 minutes.
No thank you.
Yeah. And then si Micah din kasi siya umorder kasi gusto niya ng burger sa
Mitras Ranch.
Mitras Ranch. Eh, parang pangit naman kung kami lang dalawa ni Trizzy yung kakain, di ba? So doon na lang kami lahat kakain. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Mitras Ranch. Grabe ang ganda dito guys kasi overlooking view siya. Look. Guys. Kita mo yan? Hindi akin yan. Trizia, magpakita ka kasi magkakanta tayo. Kakanta tayo. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Baby, run your mouth.
Uy, papapi.
Yang mare.
Ay, just
Nicki Minaj.
Justin!
show you off. What you got? What you got? What you got? Welcome to Batchowan Beach! Beach Club Beach. Hi guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Batchowan Beach. And guys, it looks so sketchy to be fair. Pero, tignan nyo lang mamaya. Okay? Ganda naman dito guys. Thank you Lord.
Hi guys, vlog takeover. Dapat mag-ano ko, shades.
So I think that's it for our Banchawan trip guys. Recommend it here kasi konti lang yung tao. I don't know, is it because Monday today or wala lang talaga masyadong tao. But very private yung feels guys kasi konti lang yung tao. Bale, 4 na foreigner, 2 couple na Pinoy, and then kaming 3 lang yung tao dito guys. And then sobrang laki ng resort. If I were you, if pupunta kayo ng Palawan, pwede kayong pumunta dito. It's a 1-hour trip lang away from Puerto Princesa. Babalik na kami sa city and maghahanap kami kung saan kami pwedeng mag-dinner. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa
Baywalk.
Baywalk kasi kakain kami sa Makoy's. If hindi nyo kilala si Mama guys, isa siyang famous TikToker na based dito sa Palawan. So dito kami kakain ngayon.
We got the bundle 5 from McCoy's and McCoy's special pizza and just 2 rice.
Sana nakita kita munting huli.
Hi guys, as promised, bibili kami ulit ng Nguyen kasi sobrang sarap na. Sobrang sarap po! Over.